Hello kids, welcome to my channel Upgrade Your English. Today we will learn the most common verb. Let's start. Beat. B-E-A-T. The boy is beating the drum. The boy is beating the drum. Agree. A-G-R-E-E. I am agree with the proposal. I am agree with the proposal. Change. Change. The mother is changing her son's dress. The mother is changing her son's dress. Dive. D-I-V-E. The boy dives into the swimming pool. The boy dives into the swimming pool. Hit. H-I-T. The car hits the dog. The car hits the dog. Request. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T. The girl requested the information via later. The girl requested the information via later. Measure. The mother has measured the girl's height. The mother has measured the girl's height. Gain. G-A-I-N. She has gained weight. She has gained weight. Pinch. P-I-N-C-H. He pinched his arm very hard. He pinched his arm very hard. Exhausted. She is exhausted by hard work. She is exhausted by hard work. Interrupt. The boy has interrupted the guest's speech. The boy has interrupted the guest's speech. Narrate. Narrate. He is narrating the story on the radio. He is narrating the story on the radio. Rent. R-E-N-T. I rent a house. I rent a house. Shiver. S-H-I-V-E-R. The girl is shivering with cold. The girl is shivering with cold. Surrender. The boy surrendered by waving a white flag. The boy surrendered by waving a white flag. Vote. V-O-T-E. The man is voting in the election. The man is voting in the election. Please like, follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you.